Have you got one of these lurking around at home and not sure what to do with it or not sure when to use it? My name's Francesca and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use them pre-run to decrease any muscle tightness and increase your range of motion. We're going to focus on our calf muscles and quadricep muscles using the 4 rolls, 4 movement approach. Okay, so for your calf muscles, you're going to sit with the foam roller in front of you. Pop one foot onto that foam roller, the other foot is coming on top. And then we're just going to bend the knee and slide up and down. We're going to do 4 rolls. And then you're going to find that point that feels quite tight, hold it there, and then you're going to point your toes up towards the ceiling, and then do 4 movements, okay? And then you can move that foam roll up a little bit higher, and then repeat the steps again. So it's 4 rolls, 4 movements of the foot. You can turn your leg to create different angles and find that tightness. There we go. So that is your calf. You then repeat it on the other side. Exactly the same. 4 rolls, 4 movements. Excellent. So that is your calf muscles. Your quadricep muscles, we are going to come round and we're going to pop the foam roller just above your knee. You're going to come down onto your elbows, the other knee out to the side, and then you're using those elbows to roll. Again, 4 movements. That's it, 4 rolls and 4 movements. Good. And again, you can then move it so it's slightly higher. You can do the tops of your quadriceps, 4 rolls. And 4 movements. Good. And repeat on the other side. Spend just a couple of minutes pre-run doing those foam roller movements for your calf and your quadriceps. Will help to increase your range of movement through your ankles, knees and your hips there.